Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm below, but first thing before we put this deck on, I want to get all this stuff off. So I'm going to get you up here close and we're going to scrape all this off. Then I'm going to show you how to put the deck back on your John Deere riding lawn mower. Okay guys, without further ado. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, so okay, ladies and gentlemen, moment of truth. We're gonna put this deck back on. First thing we gotta do is slide it in, but as we're sliding it in, we gotta move these metal things out of the way. So it's kind of a two-step process. Gotta hold it, slide it, now the other one's hitting. That's when you come around here. And from here, you hold this one up. And you just pull this thing. I'm trying to figure out if there's a way to hold it up. Oh, now the other one's catching again. Okay, so now it's going to be the same on both sides. I'm going to try to film this the best I can, but this one's going to go here while the height adjuster is going to go right here. And that's going to be the same on both sides. Let's see if we can't get that filmed. Honestly, I can't really tell what I'm looking at on the camera while I'm down here, but I'm going to pull out this pin. And then we're going to put that on. And now, the camera might fall because it's sitting on the deck. Okay, now we'll go do that to the other side. Like I said, I don't know how good you guys can see. Probably a lot better right there. Pull the pin out. First one on. Height adjuster. Great, I flung the cotter pin. Hang on. Okay, here's the last part. This has one of those weird safety pins. Let's see if I can put you here. All you got to do for this one is you're going to pull the deck and get it in that hole, just like that. You're going to put the pin back in. Hang on, I'm trying to film. I'm gonna do it one hit. There we go. And now we're gonna put it back on, start it up, see if the blades spin, because that was the original problem when the customer came in, but there was a bunch of other things wrong with it. No, I almost forgot. Guys. We gotta put the belt back on. Let me see if we can't raise the deck. Hang on, I'm gonna get you guys a better angle here because I have to pretty much manhandle this up and around. Moment of truth, ladies and gentlemen. Make sure the blades go up. And they do, perfect. Choke up. Thank you guys so much for watching another repair video from me, Andrew, and I hope to see you guys more. I'm going to be doing everything in this new camera quality, this new 4K. So, without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, that is the end of the saga of the John Deere L120 automatic. I think I've done everything I can for this customer. I was going to do a seat repair, but the customer said he don't care. So, I don't want to do nothing for free, even though it would help for videos, but this is probably one of my last customers. And I thank you guys so much for everything you guys do all the time, for watching. Don't forget, if you guys enjoyed this video, hit that like button. Also, hit that subscribe button. And don't forget, right now on the screen right now, there's going to be that playlist for all of the John Deere videos. And then under that's going to be another playlist for lawnmower reviews. And don't forget, right over here, that's where the subscribe button is. Thank you guys so much, and have a good day.